Hey everyone, welcome back to Cash Current, where we simplify the world of finance for you. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Today, we're diving into a fundamental question. What is finance? Finance is a broad term that describes the management, creation, and study of money, investments, and other financial instruments. It's all about how individuals, businesses, and governments acquire, spend, and manage their money. Finance can be broken down into three main categories: personal finance, corporate finance, and public finance. First up, personal finance. This involves managing your own money and planning for your future. It includes budgeting, saving, investing, and protecting your assets. Think about things like setting up a retirement plan, saving for a home, or creating an emergency fund. Some common aspects of personal finance are budgeting, insurance, mortgages, savings, and retirement planning. Next, we have corporate finance. This focuses on how businesses handle their financial activities. It's about sourcing funds, making investment decisions, and managing the company's capital structure. The goal is to maximize shareholder value. Key areas of corporate finance include capital budgeting, capital structure, and working capital management. Lastly, public finance. This is all about how governments manage their money. It involves taxation, government spending, budgeting, and debt issuance. The aim is to provide public goods and services and to ensure a stable economy. Public finance covers topics like tax policies, government budgets, and public expenditure. So why is finance important? Well, effective financial management is crucial for the success and stability of any individual or organization. It helps you make informed decisions, achieve your financial goals, and avoid potential pitfalls. Good financial practices can lead to economic growth, job creation, and improved living standards. That's a brief overview of what finance is all about. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Cash Current.